Welcome to HS Auto. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated middleweight supersport machines, the 2026 Yamaha YZF-R9. Built to redefine the supersport category, this bike blends aggressive styling, cutting-edge electronics, and a power-packed engine derived from Yamaha's proven CP3 platform. Design and styling ***. The 2026 YZF-R9 carries Yamaha's signature R-Series DNA with a sharper, more aerodynamic fairing and an assertive front fascia. The sleek LED lighting setup and sculpted bodywork not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve airflow and stability at high speeds. Every line on this bike is crafted for performance and presence. Engine and performance ***. At the heart of the R9 is a refined 890 cubic centimeters inline-3 CP3 engine, tuned specifically for supersport dynamics. It delivers strong mid-range torque along with thrilling top-end power, making it equally capable on the track and the street. The crossplane concept ensures smooth, linear acceleration with an unmistakable exhaust note. Chassis and handling ***. The lightweight aluminum frame is engineered for precision and agility. Paired with fully adjustable suspension components, the R9 offers exceptional cornering stability and rider feedback. Whether carving through twisty roads or pushing limits on a circuit, this bike responds with confidence and control. Technology and electronics ***. The R9 is packed with advanced electronics, including a sophisticated IMU-based rider aid system. Features like traction control, slide control, wheelie control, and multiple riding modes give riders the ability to customize their experience. A modern TFT display keeps all critical information easily accessible. Comfort and ergonomics ***. Despite its aggressive nature, the R9 offers a relatively balanced riding position. The seat, handlebar placement, and foot peg positioning are optimized for both performance riding and longer journeys, making it more versatile than traditional SUP.